Today we're going over the Klein Tools TE310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder and Voltage Tester with an integrated GFCI outlet tester. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. This device is made for locating breakers quickly and safely. It's designed for both pros and people doing home repairs. The set includes a transmitter that plugs into a standard outlet and a handheld receiver that picks up the signal from the panel. The idea is simple. You plug in, move the receiver across the breakers, and the tool tells you which breaker controls that circuit.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The build feels solid with a sturdy plastic housing and rubberized grip. It's small enough to carry in your tool pouch. The receiver has a clear LED indicator and a loud tone, which helps when working in noisy spaces. The transmitter doubles as a GFCI outlet tester, so you can check wiring and ground faults in one step. When it comes to performance, the ET310 does a good job, though it's not perfect. It's accurate most of the time, especially in newer electrical panels. In older houses with wiring that's not well organized, it can take a couple of passes to get the right breaker. That's normal for these tools. The range and sensitivity are solid, but if there's interference from other circuits, results can vary a bit. The receiver runs on a 9-volt battery, which is easy to replace. The battery compartment is accessible without tools. The transmitter doesn't need a battery since it uses power from the outlet. The tool turns on instantly and doesn't require setup, which makes it convenient if you're doing multiple breaker checks in a day. The integrated GFCI tester is a good addition. It tests standard and GFCI outlets for correct wiring, open ground, or reverse polarity. The LED indicators are clear, and the printed legend on the device makes it simple to read results. This saves time compared to using a separate tester. In terms of usability, it's straightforward. Plug the transmitter into an outlet, go to the panel with the receiver, and scan across breakers until you hear the beeping and see the LED light up. Once it does, you've found the correct breaker. There's no guesswork. The audio tone is sharp enough to be heard even in a busy workspace. Some users mention that the sensitivity can sometimes cause false positives, especially if you move the receiver too fast or if multiple breakers are close together. The trick is to move slowly and repeat the scan for confirmation. With a little practice, it becomes second nature. Durability is what you'd expect from Klein tools. It feels professional grade, not like cheap imports. The buttons have a firm click and the casing can handle drops. Still, keep it dry and avoid strong magnetic fields. Those can throw off readings. For professional electricians, this is a reliable backup tool. For homeowners, it's a solid investment that helps avoid guesswork and tripping breakers by mistake. It's not the cheapest on the market, but the accuracy and build justify the price. For its category, the ET310 stands out for being compact, quick to use, and dual purpose with GFCI testing. The only real downside is that, like most circuit finders, it can occasionally misread in complex wiring setups. But compared to many cheaper alternatives, it's more consistent. Overall, the Klein Tools ET310 is practical and dependable. It's not flashy, but it does its job well. If you work with